हेलो फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे हम बात करेंगे बेसिक फिजिक्स के बारे में. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई हैव गिव द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द बेसिक फिजिक्स, द चेन ऑफ बेसिक फिजिक्स. As we know that any kind of physical body or matter which are made from the atoms are made from the molecules are made from the particles, and the particles are made from the quarks. In this physical world there are more than 100 particles, but the main basic fundamental particles are three: electron, proton, neutron. Electron is negatively charged, proton is positively charged, while the neutron is electrically neutral. Particles are also made from the proper combination of quarks. There are two quarks. Quarks are divided into two types: up quarks and down quarks. Up quarks having plus 2 by 3 E charge, while down quarks having minus 1 by 3 E charge. Now, the physical body or matter are divided into five types. First is solid, second is liquid, third one is gas, fourth one is plasma, and fifth one is Bose-Einstein condensation. Solid, liquid, and gas. These three types of matter can be easily experienced and feel in this nature. But the fourth is the plasma. Plasma is the fourth state of matter which is not available easily in nature. Plasma having the example like solar winding and lightning. Fifth matter fifth matter is the Bose-Einstein condensation, which is prepared by Satyendranath Bose by using the theory of Albert Einstein. So it is known as the Bose-Einstein condensation, which is also not easily available in nature, which is prepared in laboratory. Now, according to electronics, solid matter is divided into four types. First is conductor, second is insulator, third one is semiconductor, and fourth one is superconductor. Conductor, which is the material in which the electrons are easily passing through it. That means there is a large number of electrons are present inside the conducting material, conductor. Second one is insulator. Insulator is a one kind of material in which the electrons are not passing through this material, not traveling through this insulating material. That means there is a no presence of electrons. Third one is semiconductor. Semiconductor have the conductivity which is lies between conductor and insulator. सेमीकंडक्टर की कंडक्टिविटी है वो कंडक्टर और इंसुलेटर के बीच में आती है. Fourth one is superconductor. Superconductor is a which kind of material in which it has the total zero internal resistance. उसकी जो भी internal resistance है वो totally zero होता है. That means the electrons are very easily passing through it, traveling from it. Superconductor having the higher conductivity with compared to above three types of matter. Now we justify the electronics word. Electronics word is the combination of two words, electron plus mechanics. That means to study the motion of an electron. इलेक्ट्रॉन की जो भी मोशन है, जो भी गतिविधि है, वो विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग मेजर होती है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. That means electronics is defined as to study the motion of an electron. Now, as we know that up quarks having plus 2 by 3 E charge, and the symbol of up quark is small u. Down quarks having minus 1 by 3 E charge, and as we know that it has the minus 1 by 3 E charge. Down quarks having the symbol small d. Now the proper combination of three quarks, by the proper combination of three quarks, there is a formation of fundamental particle like electron, proton and neutron by using three different kinds of quarks. First, there is a formation of a proton. First is the UUD, that means plus 2 by 3e plus 2 by 3e minus 1 by 3e. By the proper calculation and simplification, the last answer is in the form of plus e, which is the charge of a proton. P plus is equal to proton. Second one is DDD. 3 डाउन क्वार्क्स के प्रॉपर कॉम्बिनेशन से इलेक्ट्रॉन फॉर्म होता है, माइनस 1/3e माइनस 1/3e माइनस 1/3. जो भी स्क्रीन में दिखाया गया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप कैलकुलेशन और सिंप्लीफिकेशन लेंगे तो लास्ट में जो आंसर मिलेगा वो माइनस ई के फॉर्म में मिलेगा, विच इज द चार्ज ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रॉन. माइनस ई इज द चार्ज ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रॉन. थर्ड वन है UDD प्लस 2/3e माइनस 1/3e माइनस 1/3e. By the proper calculation and simplification, the last answer in the form of 0, which is the show that neutron has a zero charge, electrically neutral. 0 is equal to N0, which is the charge of neutron, which is electrically neutral. Okay, thank you.